Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial part about the accusative case in the German language? Do write your opinions in the comment section. So just a quick reminder before I move on in this last tutorial part. Please have a look at the tutorial 10 part on the German articles before studying this tutorial part. So moving on, I mentioned in my previous two tutorial parts the German articles, both definite and indefinite articles, the negation word kein, personal and possessive pronouns and adjectives remain the same in their forms and do not change their endings in the nominative case. But they can change their forms or endings in the accusative case. So in this last tutorial part, I will show you only how the articles and the negation article or the negative article kein, as we sometimes call it in German language, change in the accusative case. The changes in personal and possessive pronouns in the accusative case I will cover in the later tutorials. So how we decline the articles or the word kein is Deklination in German. And in the nominative case, we have the definite article, which is bestimmter Artikel, der for masculine, die for feminine, das for neutral, and die for plural. The indefinite article or unbestimmter Artikel, as we call it in German, will be ein for masculine, eine for feminine, ein for neutral. But if you remember from tutorial 10, I mentioned that we do not use indefinite articles in plural in the German language as well as in the English language. We don't have any indefinite articles like a or an coming in the plural form. And then in that tutorial 10, you also saw how kein is declined as kein in the masculine, keine in the feminine, kein in neutral, and keine in plural. The new part is how these articles and kein are declined in the accusative case. So my previous tutorial parts showed how the masculine definite article der changes to den. But this is not only the case for the definite article that changes from der to den, but also the indefinite article ein in the masculine form will change to eine in the accusative case. And if you remember from tutorial 10, I mentioned that kein is declined just like the indefinite article. So that is not only the case in the nominative case, but in the accusative case as well. So you can see that the ending of kein with the en is just like the ending of the indefinite article. Einen, keinen. However, the other genders, feminine and neutral, as you can see here, will not have any difference in the accusative case. So D remains D, eine will remain eine, and keine will be also the same as we see in the nominative case. In the same way, das as the definite article will remain das in the accusative case, ein will remain ein, and kein will remain kein as well. In the plural, D as the definite article will remain once again D in the accusative case. And then keine in the nominative case will also remain keine in the accusative case. So to summarize, we can say that the only difference that you note between the nominative and the accusative cases is that articles, the negation word kein, pronouns, and adjectives, which you will also see in later tutorials, you will see that the masculine form of these will change, but the other genders will remain the same. Also, it will be better understood when these articles, the negation word kein, the pronouns and adjectives come in actual German sentences or questions in both the nominative and the accusative case, with examples in later tutorials. That was all for today. Any questions related to this entire tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Please like and comment on my videos and continue watching the tutorials, but do also subscribe to my channel, German Tutorials by Rabia. Thank you.